Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily add a feeling to your Facebook story using your Android device. It's a simple way to express how you're feeling, whether you're happy, excited, or anything in between. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will allow you to create a new story. Step 3. Now choose the photo or video you'd like to share in your story. Select it from your gallery or camera roll. Step 4. After selecting the image, look at the top right of your screen and tap the sticker icon. This will bring up a variety of fun and interactive options. Step 5. Among the sticker options, you'll see a feelings icon. Tap on it, and a list of feelings will pop up. Step 6. Select the feeling that best matches your current mood. You can choose from emotions like happy, excited, or even something like feeling blessed. Once you've selected the feeling, tap Share to post your story. And that's it. You've just added a feeling to your Facebook story in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to share your emotions and connect with friends on a deeper level. Now go ahead and try it yourself. Thanks for watching.